Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from Uphold to Coinbase, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app and choose the crypto you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Tap Receive and copy the wallet address shown on Coinbase. Make sure you select the correct network, like ERC20 or Bitcoin, to avoid errors. Step 3. Now open your Uphold app. Go to your portfolio and select the crypto you want to send. Step 4. Tap Send to Cryptocurrency or Utility Token, then paste the Coinbase wallet address. Step 5. Double check that the network on Uphold matches the network on Coinbase. This is critical to avoid losing your funds. Step 6. Enter the amount you want to transfer, confirm the transaction, and complete any security verification required by Uphold. Step 7. Wait a few minutes. Transfers usually take between 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the blockchain network. Tip: always start with a small test transfer first to make sure everything works before sending a large amount. And that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from Uphold to Coinbase in 2025. If this video helped, make sure to like it and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching.